I'm out here today at Sydney Water's Advanced Water Recycling Plant in Kemps Creek, Western Sydney, which will be completed to support the growing community in this area. In conjunction with Sydney Water and John Holland, AGL has delivered a 4.6 megawatt ground mount solar farm, which is comprised of about 7,500 solar panels.
So John Holland has been working with AGL since February 2022. During this period, we've been working through the design, the construction of the solar field. We're very proud of this project. It is a critical bit of infrastructure for the growth of Western Sydney and for our client Sydney Water.
This is Sydney Water's largest project in delivery at the moment in our infrastructure portfolio. The project will provide critical wastewater servicing for Western Sydney in readiness for the new Western Sydney Airport to be operational by the end of 2026.
The solar farm's production for Sydney Water is equivalent to about 1,200 average Australian homes. Approximately 50% of the Advanced Water Recycling Centre's electricity needs will be serviced by this solar farm.
By 2030, we are looking to achieve net zero carbon emissions across the entire organisation. For 2040, across the whole supply chain, net zero.
Sydney Water, with the support of John Holland, are leading the way in sustainable infrastructure, and AGL is really proud to be part of that journey.